In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're coming across an issue with your Bluetooth removal process where you're unable to remove your Bluetooth device from your Windows computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search menu. Search for services. Best match should come back with services. Go ahead and open that up. And you want to locate a few Bluetooth services listed in here. First one is the Bluetooth Audio Gateway service. So go ahead and double click on that. You want to make sure the startup type is set to manual. And if service status is running, go ahead and stop it. And then we're going to go ahead and actually start it back up here. And then select apply and OK. Next service is the Bluetooth support service. Double click on that. Startup type should be manual on that one as well. And we're going to go ahead and actually stop that service and start it up as well. And then applying, okay? And finally, there might be one further Bluetooth service in here, Bluetooth user service. I'm going to go ahead and double click on it. Again, startup type should be manual. I'm going to go ahead and actually start that service there. And then select OK. And then hopefully your issue should have been resolved at this point. Something else we can explore would be to run the Bluetooth troubleshooting utility. So open up the search menu, type in troubleshoot. Best match should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side underneath options, you want to select other troubleshooters. And then underneath the other section, you want to select the Bluetooth troubleshooter and the corresponding run button. And then it's going to ask you, do we have your consent to run automated diagnostics to try solving your Bluetooth problem? I'm going to select yes. And I'm going to select continue. It's going to ask you, if you see a restart required message. I'm going to select no. And it's going to just continue to check our progress here. And then you're going to select continue. And then again, just follow along with the prompts here. Do you want to enable the Bluetooth icon on your taskbar? I'm going to select yes. Can I see it? Yes, I can. I'm going to select yes. So then hopefully at this point your issue should have been resolved. And as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.